Hi, this is Elskimmy from Bemis Crafty Corner, and I have another project in the series, the 12 Weeks of Christmas 2022, and we are going to be doing this today. This is just a little ornament with a bell and a bow, and it's got my grandson's nickname on it. So this is what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to show you how to do this one. I'll be back in just a second with a supply list, and we're going to get started. Okay? I'll see you in a minute. This one. Some of this you can get at the Dollar Tree, some you can't. Obviously, these are from the Dollar Tree, and these are Jingle bells. And I have no idea what size these are. I think they're 3/4 inch, but Jingle bells. And then we have some ribbon here in Christmas colors, and we have some alphabet beads. Now, I got these at Michael's, and these are from Creatology. They have some in the jewelry department that are exactly the same, but they're $2 more expensive, and you get half as many beads. Okay, so that's up to you. And you don't need it with these beads, but if you want it, a plastic canvas needle works really well here. And we're going to go ahead and get started. So I'm going to clear some stuff out of the way and get a bead tray out so we don't lose any of these beads. And we're going to get started on this one. I'll be right back. Okay, so I've cut a piece of twine that's about 18 inches long. And I've cut a piece of ribbon to match. Okay, and once I've done that, I'm going to thread those together onto a plastic canvas needle. Just makes it easier. Now, if you don't have a plastic canvas needle, you can certainly do this by hand. It's just going to be a little bit more difficult. I'm going to give myself about a 2 to 3 inch tail. And then I'm going to kind of set that to the side. And I have here the letters for my grandson, one of my grandsons. And let me get an M. M. O. O. S. And an E. And then I'm going to put pony beads at the ends and in between each of the letters. Okay? And then we're just going to thread these on here. And we're actually going to start with the last letter of the name first. Okay, we're going to draw those down, and then we're going to go through the jingle bell. And then we're going to go back through the letters. Doop. And I kind of use, a couple at a time and just kind of move them across the needle. Otherwise it kind of gets all jammed up. It makes it very difficult to do this. Last ones. And then I'm going to pull on the free end so that I have plenty of room. Bring this back up, pull out my tail, get off my needle, and then I'm going to get these nice and even. And once I have all 4 strings even, then I'm going to go ahead and move my letters, pull the threads through towards the bell to make them even. Get them even. and then push these down. Okay? Then I'm going to take the 2 pieces of twine and get them out of the way. And I'm just going to tie a simple bow. Now you can seal that with a little bit of hot glue if you want. And then right up here, I'm just going to cut any excess off. I'm going to do a little lock knot there. And I have a little ornament. Now if I want this shorter, of course, I could just move the knot down. Take off my excess. I'd rather have more twine than not enough, you know? And there I have an ornament for my grandson. So now I have 2. Now, just have a whole bunch more kids to go. And, and I'll have all these done. But that's it. That is my simple little ornament for today. Again, this is my project for my 12 weeks of Christmas 2022. If you would like to participate, reach out to Brian over at B&D Crafts and More. He will be happy to get you all set up. There's a list in the description box below of all the people that are participating in this. Go and check out their videos every week for the next 12 weeks through, when does this stop? This stops on, I have it written down. I know I do. December 18th. Okay, so that's it. That's my project. Go over, check out everybody else who's in the collaboration. The links are to their channels are in the description box below. But that's it. That's all I have. Listen, if you're new here and you haven't done so already, go and hit that button for me and subscribe. Like me, ring my bell, share me with all your friends, and then your friends can be my friends, and my friends can be your friends, and our friends can get to be friends, and before you know it, we have a giant crafting community. I go live on Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, and Sundays. And on Sundays, we play trivia. I give prizes for that. And we're kind of working up to a grand prize at the end of the year. And let's see what else. If you want to know what I'm doing, what I'm up to, what's going on, what's coming out, what projects do I have, what free classes am I offering, you can check out the community tab here on my YouTube channel or go over and join my Facebook group. There's a link in the description box below. And there's a featured listing over there for that. And I also have my 12 of 24 challenge, journal challenge going on. So if you would like to participate in that, you do not need to make 12 journals. You only need to make 1. And I encourage you to join. We have some fantastic gifts that I am giving away for participating in that. It's all part of my 1,000 subscriber celebration. So that's it. That's all I have. Until the next time, stay well, my friends. Bye-bye.